Why in the starting of Surah Tawbah there is no Bismillah? Why? If you read the first few verses of Surah Tawbah, we come to know that there is a peace treaty between the Muslims and the mushriks of Makkah. This peace treaty was unilaterally broken by the mushriks of Makkah. When Allah reaches verse number 5, He's giving them a warning. Put things straight in 4 months' time, otherwise a declaration of war. When Allah is giving us the warning, Bismillah is uncalled for. For example, if someone snatches the handbag of your mother or of your wife on the streets of Abuja and runs away, when you catch up with that thief, will you say, Assalamu alaikum, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim? You say, hey mister, give me the handbag back, otherwise I'll break your arm. Hey mister, give me the handbag back or I'll break your neck. Bismillah is uncalled for. You will not say, Assalamu alaikum, peace be on you. You will get down to the subject directly. Similarly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when He's giving a very strong warning to the mushriks of Makkah, He gets down to the subject directly. Bismillah is uncalled for. Therefore I say, Surah Tawbah is one of the most militant surah of the glorious Quran.